Hello my friends and welcome. My name is Dennis and today is April. The sun is shining and I have my VTX here. It's not yet ready, not ready so far for the season, for this spring and summer. So I decided to prepare this motorcycle for the season and I will show how I'll do it. I already bought the wheel here. It's the rear tire because the old one is a little bit worn here and it's quite old. I think it's more than 8 years. And this is new from the last year's Mitziller from 2016. And I can see the name is Matt Zeller. Marathon ME880. Why I decided to get this wheel? Because I have the same in front. So approximately 2 years ago I changed the front wheel. Yes, it was really worn to the same. The Marathon ME880 Metzler. So I'll have the same mark for both of my tires, of course. And now I have the Dunlop. I decided to take the custom, not the custom size, but the original size. As you can see it here, it's 180-70R16 77H. So it's basically the same size as for the stock VTX wheel as we have here. So basically it's the same wheel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just change this tire for this tire. And today I will show you how to remove the rear tire of this beautiful VTX 1800 cc. First of all, I will remove these side bags, and after that I will proceed with the wheel itself. And I have the VTX manual. I'll show you now. Have the service manual for the VTX 1800 cc. So I already have here the rear wheel removal, so I'll proceed according to this manual. I already have my tools with me and the courage, because I never did this job before. Never removed the rear motorcycle wheel on this motorcycle. So let's start. So guys, I now put the camera on my head. Maybe the view will be better. We'll take some precautions because we don't need our hands to be scratched and our eyes also. Okay, put the gloves on, goggles, some glasses or goggles, as you can see. It's on. Okay, and we can proceed by removing the side bags. I'll remove first everything inside my side bags. Toilet paper, very funny. The disassembly goes with this fender holder. You can see. So just, well, wrench it out. Quite tough. It was quite tough. Okay, let's do from the other side. Here. Come on. No, I need another size. Actually, I could start the video, then the bags were disassembled, but I want you guys to see all the picture as I can see it right now. It will take some time, of course, and from this point maybe I'll skip it. For sure I will skip it because it will take a lot of time for you guys just to see me wrenching this. So guys, the bags were removed and you can see almost the naked tail here, and we're gonna do something with it. First, let me check the manual. That's my daughter running here. Okay, removal. Loosen the front rear muffler stay nut bolt. Make space to attach the rear axle nut and the rear caliper stopper pin bolt. Loosen and remove the rear axle nut. Remove the rear caliper stopper pin bolt. Okay, the bike is already raised up with my lifter, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna do the removal of this huge thing here and this bolt there. Yes, nuts, bolts and bolts. Loosen front rear muffler stay. Okay, I think I understood. I had to buy this one because the maximum I have is 22 millimeters, and I think this is 27 millimeter. Yeah, I'm right. I was right. So I had to buy this. I had this tool for the motorcycle, but I cannot use it because of this exhaust system. So I will use this one. Okay, just loosen it a little bit. It's moving. Okay. Actually, it's moving. So that's good. Good news. I think I'll just remove it. You see, the Honda did the special place here. Hope you can see. A special place here for me, for everyone, to make this part so usable without removing this beautiful exhaust system. It might take a lot of time, and then okay, I can now rotate it with my hands. Okay, let's loosen this bolt. Yes, I think, let me check again. Nuts and bolts. First, loosen the remove rear axle nut. Remove the rear calipers. So this is caliper stopper pin bolt, and this rear axle nut. So I just removed the rear axle nut. I just loosen it, and I need to remove this and this accordingly. This bike is, I bought this bike in 2012. Oh, I think the all axis is moving. Yeah, it's moving, as you can see. I'm rotating there. You can see it's moving here. So I need to fix, not to fix, but to stop this rotation, to remove the nut. Okay, I'll just stop it with my, so what can I do there? It's quite large. It's quite large. Maybe I have some head here. Okay guys, I just found my tool here. You can see, and it will go this way, and another wrench from this way, and I'll just rotate. Yeah, I'll just do it with this hand. it's much easier from this side. Okay. So it's removed. I can see the signs of corrosion there, so maybe I need to put some oil. Then I'll be reassembling. Maybe I'll put some extra oil there because corrosion is not really good. Okay, I need to disassemble this caliper holder here. Caliper holder I'll disassemble with a simple key. Simple wrench. Where is it? Where is my simple wrench? Okay, I have 14 maybe, but it's 14, yeah. That's my door. Also riding here bicycle. Okay, let's do it. It's quite hard. Let's go. So we need to loosen this bolt here, and after that we'll continue with the book. It's quite hard to move it. Let's say very hard. So I removed as far as I could here, and the next step, I think, oh, just read it. Okay, remove rear brake pads. I don't want to do it. Pull out the rear axle, then remove the rear caliper from the brake disc. I need to remove brake caliper from the rear disc. I cannot do it without removing this axle. Put out the rear axle. Put out. Okay, rear axle. I need to remove it from the another side, as I understood. Okay, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. So, can I remove it by rotating? Or no? No. I cannot do it. Well, what can I do? What can I do? Maybe it can be removed with my hand? No. No. Oh, yeah, it can. It can be removed. Come on. I can do it. Okay, I'll remove the brake. Can I remove this one? The caliper? Or not yet? No, I cannot do it. I need to remove the caliper from the disc. But it seems like there or here it's still holding. Maybe from this side. No, it's still holding itself. holding itself. Okay, I'll try to do it. I cannot do it. I wonder if it's because of this exhaust system, but I don't want to re-engage it. It will be a hard job to re-engage all the exhaust system here. So guys, I figured out how to do it. I just put my leg here underneath and maybe it will go. Okay, now little by little it's going. I need to do up and down, and whew, it's very hard. Look at my left hand. Come on, come on. Whew, it's quite long. Okay, little by little, it's going out. Wow. So, whew, this is the axle, or the axis, as you wish to say, and finally the wheel should drop here, yeah, as I understood. Okay, I removed the caliper, and now... Дианка, ты дашь мне позаниматься мотоциклом? Я снимаю видео. Скажи привет, соплюшечка. Okay, I need to remove the wheel from the final drive. Okay, just remove. Done. So guys, Дианка, дай фонарик. So guys, this is the final drive. Maybe it needs to be inspected. And это ключ, друзья. That's the wheel. And the wheel is quite okay, but we need to change it. What is this? Okay, I need to keep it. I need to keep it here. So guys, we got the wheel. The wheel is here. As you can see, it's Honda. The disc itself, the brake disc, it's normal state. I'll just check it. Yeah, it's quite good. And now I'll go to the service where the guys from the service center can change this wheel to this wheel. It's quite good, but a little bit worn, and it's very old, so it's very tough and solid. So guys, I finished the first stage of today's work. I disassembled my wheel. The experience was quite good, but first I thought that I will not remove the axle because it was like a stuck for a moment, but after I put my leg on, I put my knee underneath the tire, I was able to move the axle to move out from its position. And probably I will not film the video about reassembling the wheel because the procedure will be the same. So I'll put the wheel back on its place on the off drive, on the final drive, and then I'll put the caliper on, the brakes on, I'll put the axle in, and I'll put nut and the bolt, the caliper bolt, that's all. And I'll put the bags on. That will take me approximately 1 hour maybe, or maybe more. Now I'm going to Yamaha service center. They will put some a new rubber that I bought recently. What is the price for the rubber? Well, it's around $200 for this size. If you buy like 2 wheels, the front and the rear, of course it will be cheaper for each tire, but if you buy the separate, it's usually the price is higher. So what next? I decided to film everything about my motorcycle, how I'll change everything. So next step will be change the air filter, change the spark plugs and the oil with oil filter, and probably I'll change the oil in the off drive, in the final drive. And what next? Maybe at the end of the season I will change the forward fork springs and for progressive suspension. And also I'll change the aft shock absorbers for progressive suspension as well. Now we're coming to the Yamaha service center. Probably I'll film there, and after that probably the video will be finished. So I hope you enjoy it and have a good time.